What's up, everyone? And it's your boy Suave Polo here with another video. And today I'm gonna show you how to change a coolant level sensor in your F-body car. So if you got an F-body engine, this is a Camaro, Firebird, same way. So the only tool you need is a screwdriver. Now, a brand new sensor is about $62 to $72 at AutoZone and O'Reilly. But I'm gonna tell you at the end of this video where you can find one for cheaper than that. And it's the same as that thing. First, you wanna remove your battery out of the car. Then you wanna take your flathead screwdriver. There's a clip right here on it. It's located right here on the radiator. You get the clip, you pry it up to the side. And then, also you need to take this sensor off. You just push it down on it and it comes off like that. Put it to the side. Now, before I take this off, I want to tell you that if you have any coolant still in your radiator, make sure you put something at the bottom of the car so it can catch the coolant. Safety first. And then after you apply that pin, man, you want to wiggle it out. That's the old one. Look all dirty and stuff. And then you're going to put the other one in back in reverse. Now, I promise you I was going to tell you where you can find this for way cheaper than that. So check Rock Auto. That's where I got mine. I get all my car parts from that place, man. It's an online store. I only got that for $20. Same exact part. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. That's rockauto.com. Until next time, peace.